the lash game has changed with this little guy.
Please try and listen. You done change like the weather was the season.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but it's your girl Pauline, aka Moqua Mami. You're so welcome to my channel. But anywho, you tune into this video today because you want to know the secret to how I can get my lashes on in like 2.5 seconds. Like so easy. Right now I'm not wearing lashes, but because I'm gonna show you how to do it. But it's super easy. It's like crazy. This product is gonna revolutionize the way that you do your makeup, and it's also so easy for beginners as well. So if you're a beginner with putting on lashes and it's something that you struggle with, as you know, you're a beginner, it is what it is. This is gonna be so easy for you to just pop them on and go. But before I let you know, and on this little secret, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click on it, okay, and like make my day, just make my day. So I have my lashes. These I've used before. They are just some regular lashes that I got off of AliExpress. They don't have any like brand name to them or anything. I just like to get lashes of AliExpress because they're pretty cheap, and yeah, like they last. So I like to get mine off of there. Sorry, I hope this video isn't dark. Okay, let me switch up the lighting and come back. Okay, I think this is a lot better. I think the lighting looks more even across my face in the background. Hopefully this is better, guys. But anyways, so yeah, like I said, I just have these regular lashes. There's some like whoop, so they're kind of wispy, and I've cut them down to the size that the length that I like. One thing that people make mistakes and why lashes don't work for you is you're not cutting it. So you should, I wish I hadn't already cut this one so I could show you, but essentially it was longer, and so I had to measure it by my eye length, just pop them on and just kind of gauge, okay, this is too long. I need my eyes, because we all have different, think about it, we all have different lengths of or sizes of eyes, but then the lashes come in one length, so obviously it's not gonna work for everybody. But then what I see is some ladies, we are just taking them straight out of the box and trying to pop them on, and then you have like some extra little bit hanging out on the side that your eyes like, ma'am, like what's going on here? Like, get it together. So you really do need to cut off any ends when it's too long. They come that size again because we have different lengths of eyes, and so they're trying to cater to that so that you can measure it and then customize it to your eye shape. So that's something that's first, number one, that you need to do. And secondly, you need the lashes to actually be good. Like, for it to look good, make sure your lashes are nice lashes. So like I said, you don't have to break the bank. You can get some nice lashes from AliExpress. I'll link down below some lashes that I've gotten. It won't be this exact one because that one, they're no longer selling it, but I've gotten some bomb lashes from AliExpress that are super cheap, like $3. So really, it's a win-win situation. I'll link them below. Anyway, so you want to get some good lashes. Then you want to put on your mascara. So you got to put on mascara. I've seen where people are not putting on mascara before they put on lashes because you need it to blend in. You need it to look natural. So if you don't put on mascara before, it just looks like two separate entities. It looks like they don't know each other, you know, but you want them to mesh, you want them to be friends, you want your lashes, your real lashes and your faux lashes to be friends. So blend them in by putting on some mascara. I'm just kidding, but no, for real though, for real. Anyways, so now I'm gonna, after you've done that, which is what I've done, I'm gonna show you the secret method to how I can pop my lashes on and go and have them look flawless, no mess, no fuss. This right here. This little baby, this little baby. I'm so random. But honestly, this guy, so basically what it is it's an eyeliner. As you can see, it's an eyeliner pen. Just like that. But the secret thing about this isn't just any old ordinary pen. This is some magic shit. Abracadabra. Ooh, I shouldn't have said that. But this is some magic abracadabra wand, because it's a self-adhesive eyeliner. Yes. So that's what it do. So basically, it's an eyeliner, but it's also a lash glue. So this is another thing. I know when you're putting on lashes the traditional way with lash glue, things that people really struggle with is that it just doesn't, the lash glue just doesn't work for them. And that's because a lot of people don't give it enough time to get tacky. They just get impatient and restless. Like sometimes you gotta put it in front of a fan, you gotta blow on it enough, you gotta shake it up, but people are just putting it on and then trying to pop it on, and it's like, oh, it's slipping and sliding. Well, yeah, you gotta wait for it to be tacky. But all that is, even though I'm good at putting on lashes that traditional way, I hate doing it. It's one of the steps that I'm like, oh, not again, because sometimes it could be hit or miss. So anyways, this is the foolproof way where you're not having your fingers sticky and all that. So let me just stop rambling and like get into doing it. So basically, I just like to shake. Anytime I use eyeliner pens, I like to shake them around because it lets the juices, the eyeliner juices, come down to the pen. So you want to just shake, 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 shake. And keep the cover on when you shake, because if you shake when the cover is off, don't play with me, don't come for me, because you might start to do an art project on your walls with that eyeliner. So anyways, what I then do, let me zoom y'all in. Hello. So what you do next is you pretty much line your eyes just like you would if you were doing your eyeliner. And you want to try to do this like relatively quickly. I mean, don't stress and fumble the bag, but you kind of want to like move with it, because it gets tacky pretty quick, which is the magic of this, right? Because regular glue, it gets tacky too slow. So then you just literally just pop it on. You can use what do you call it? Just like that. Literally, that's it. And then I'm gonna like press it into my natural lashes. I like to do that because it just makes it blend in more. And that's something people don't do enough of, just pressing it in so that it blends and it looks seamless. And that's literally it. Like, it's on there. You didn't see me use any lash glue. I didn't. So, okay, I might have freaked out some beginners because I use my fingers. I know it's harder to use your fingers. I'm just more seasoned with it. Even sometimes now, it is still hard for me to, I fumble when I'm using my fingers, just because I'm lazy to grab the tweezers. But for the other one that I'm gonna show you now, I'm gonna use tweezers so that as a beginner, you know that you can use tweezers, which is easier to do when you're putting on them lashes. So let me go grab my tweezer. So I've gotten my tweezers, and I'm gonna do the other. Oh, by the way, let me do a test for you. So I'm literally pulling on them right now, as you can see. I mean, obviously I'm not gonna yank them off, because if I yank them off, that's how you pull off lashes, right? Like at the end of the night. So obviously I'm not gonna yank it all the way off, but like, this is just to show you that it's in there. Look, let me zoom you in so you know I'm not playing with you. Look, it's not going nowhere. So that's just it. Okay, so let me do the other eye. Lashes and the tweezers. And then see that took me even less time because I used tweezers. And it's on there. Guys, look at this. So now I'm gonna blend it in with my lashes. You just literally, like I said, press them in to your normal lashes. And there you have it. Yeah, guys, you don't have to wait. You know how with the lash glue, you usually have to wait, you know, 30 seconds to a minute, let it get tacky. Immediately when you're done with your liner, you put on the lashes and you're good to go. It's so crazy. Like, that's, I mean, that's literally it. That's this whole video. I just show, oh yeah, let me do the yank test. See, I'm yanking it. The lash game has changed with this little guy. So that's the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something, please thumbs it up. And comment below if you're gonna try it and if you've seen this product before, and if you are actually interested in it. Comment below and let me know what you think. Yeah, and make sure you hit that subscribe video. What's wrong with me? Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, because I do have some little hidden gems and stuff that can make your makeup game so much better. So let me know. It really does encourage me to make more videos. So thank you so much for watching again. Moqua Mami signing out. Bye.